Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI microphone issues in 2026. If your microphone isn't working, your voice can't be heard, or Krisp isn't detecting your mic, this guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and make sure you're signed in to your account. Then check that the correct physical microphone is selected in the Krisp audio settings. Next, confirm that noise cancellation is enabled for your microphone. If it's turned off, Krisp won't process your voice during calls or meetings. Now open your meeting app, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Go to the audio settings and make sure Krisp microphone is selected as your input device. Next, check your Windows microphone permissions. Make sure Krisp and your meeting apps are allowed to access your microphone. If microphone access is disabled, enable it and try again. If the issue continues, unplug and reconnect your headset or external microphone, then restart the Krisp AI application. You can also restart your meeting app to refresh the audio settings. Now check for updates to Krisp AI and install the latest version if one is available. Keeping the app updated helps fix bugs and improves compatibility. Finally, test your microphone before joining an important meeting. If it still doesn't work, restart your computer or contact Krisp support for additional assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Krisp AI microphone issues step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone, welcome.